Hello students, today we have to start exercise 6.2. Before starting the exercise, we should know one theorem on which this full exercise is based, and that theorem is known as basic proportionality theorem. ठीक है, full name is basic proportionality theorem. It is also known as BPT. In short form it is called as BPT. So what is the statement of this theorem? That if a line is drawn parallel to the one side of triangle to intersect the other two sides in the distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. What is the theorem? If we draw a line parallel to the one side of triangle, we know a triangle has three sides. To any one side, if we draw a line parallel to the we'll draw a line parallel to the any one side of the triangle in such a way that it is intersecting other two sides at distinct points. ठीक है, कंडीशन क्या है कि that line should intersect the other two sides at distinct points, then always that line will divide the two sides in the same ratio. ठीक है, तो देखो कैसे in equation form how we will write. Like if DE is parallel to BC, देखो figure I have made here, ABC एक triangle है, DE one line we have taken which is parallel to the BC and it is intersecting the other two side. बाकी दोनों side कौन सी बच गई, AB and AC. It is intersecting the other two sides on two points D and E. So according to the BPT theorem क्या होएगा, AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. This is the result of this BPT theorem. That if D is parallel to BC, then it means we can write it, we can use AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. And next its converse is also true. Converse का मतलब क्या होता है कि इसका opposite क्या हो गया, that if sides are in proportion, like here I have written कि if AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, if it is given to us for this figure I am saying, नेम ये होने जरूरी नहीं है बेटा, ट्राइंगल कैन बी PQR, पॉइंट तो कोई भी दे सकते हैं, पॉइंट नेम कैन बी चेंज्ड. But for this figure, particular figure I am saying, if it is given for this figure that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC है, if AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC है, then it means by using converse BPT theorem we can write its result is D is parallel to BC. ये हो गया converse BPT. If line is parallel, then it will divide the sides in proportion. If the sides are divided in proportion, it is given to us, then the line drawn will be the parallel to the third side. समझ आ गया, इजी सा रिजल्ट है. एंड द फुल एक्सरसाइज इज बेस्ड ऑन दिस थ्योरम ओनली, सो द एक्सरसाइज इज ऑल्सो ईजी, वेरी easily we can do. Only two things we have to keep in mind. Whenever parallel is given, we have to write the sides in proportion, and proportion is given, then we will write it parallel. वो देख लेंगे according to the question statement what is required. तो first question of the exercise is in the figure 6.17. First and second, DE is parallel to BC. For both figures, they have said that DE is parallel to BC. Then find the EC in first and AD in the second. In first part, EC is missing. Second में AD missing है. दिया क्या हुआ? What is given to us? DE is parallel to BC. So now only we have done. We know कि whenever parallel in this way, देखो figure में DE parallel BC दे रखे हैं. तो according to BPT theorem क्या होना चाहिए? AD upon DB equal AE upon EC. That's it. समझ आ गया ना. Here D is parallel to BC, so what we can write by BPT theorem, AD upon DB will be equal to AE upon EC. Put the values whichever we know. देखो AD value we know 1.5 है, put कर दिया 1.5, DB is 3, AE is 1, EC we have to find, so EC we will write as it is. अब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, 1.5 इंटू EC इक्वल 3 इंटू 1 3, EC की वैल्यू आ गई 3 अपॉन 1.5, सॉल्व कर दिया 2 सेंटीमीटर आ गए. क्लियर. In this way second part also you will do. In second question now it is converse. जैसे मैंने पहले भी बताया, converse result we have to use. देखो क्वेश्चन की स्टेटमेंट, E and F are the points on the sides PQ and PR of a triangle PQR. For each of the following state whether EF is parallel to QR or not. अब देखो now we have to check whether the EF is parallel to QR or not. In first question it was given parallel, but now we have to check. एंड व्हाट इज द कंडीशन फॉर पैरेलल, अभी हमने डिस्कस किया. देखो पैरेलल कब होएगा, इन कन्वर्स बीपीटी वी कैन सी पैरेलल कब होएगा, व्हेन द साइड्स विल बी इन द प्रोपोर्शन. If sides are in proportion, then only the triangle, then only the lines will be parallel, otherwise not. तो proportion check कर लेना हमने, equal आ गया, then we will say कि yes the sides are parallel, otherwise not. ठीक है. Next देखो fourth question देखो how we will do. In the figure 6.19, DE is parallel to AC and DF is parallel to AE. Prove that. Only this is given, D is parallel to AC, DF is parallel to AE. Prove that. This prove जो करना है that is separate thing, वो बाद में देखना है. पहले हमने ये देखना है कि whatever is given to us, how we can use it, how we will make use of it. That is DE is parallel to AC. अभी बताया parallel है तो what we can write, sides we will write in proportion. DE is parallel to AC. तो देखो DE and AC will cover in which triangle ABC. AC किसकी साइड है, ट्राइंगल ABC की. तो इन ट्राइंगल ABC या BAC, D is parallel to AC given है. सो बाय BPT what we can write, BD upon DA. देखो इस फिगर में से BD upon DA, DE लाइन है ना पैरेलल, तो वहीं से ब्रेक करना है. इन लेफ्ट साइड इट इज D पॉइंट, सो BD अपॉन DA. राइट साइड पे E पॉइंट है तो E से ब्रेक करेंगे, BE अपॉन EC. देखो BD अपॉन DA इक्वल हो गया BE अपॉन EC. आया कहाँ से ये रिजल्ट, बाय BPT थ्योरम. इसको बना लिया इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. सेकेंडली इट इज गिवन DF इज पैरेलल टू AE. फिगर में देखो DF और AE दे विल कवर इन विच ट्राइंगल ABE. नाउ वी विल नॉट टेक ट्राइंगल ABC बिकॉज AE इज साइड ऑफ ABE और DF तो उसमें आ ही जानी है, उसी की दोनों साइड्स के ऊपर है पॉइंट. DF इज पैरेलल टू AE, सो वी विल टेक नाइट पॉइंट नाउ ट्राइंगल BAE. DF पैरेलल AE गिवन है, साइड्स अगेन प्रोपोर्शन में आ गई. अगेन ऑन लेफ्ट साइड D पॉइंट से ब्रेक करना है, सो BD अपॉन DA ही हो गया. बट ऑन राइट हैंड साइड नाउ इट इज पॉइंट F. DF दे रखे ना पैरेलल, सो BF अपॉन FE हो जाए. F पॉइंट से ब्रेक करना है, BF अपॉन FE. तो दिस विल बी अवर सेकेंड इक्वेशन. तो फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड इक्वेशन BD अपॉन DA इक्वल BE अपॉन EC, BD अपॉन DA इक्वल BF अपॉन FE. तो what we can see that BD upon DA is common in both. So we get that BE upon EC is equal to BF upon FE, and that only we have to prove. देखो अपने आप ही प्रूव हो गया, हमने देखा भी नहीं कि what we have to prove, how we are going to prove it. Just whatever was given to us that we have used. ठीक है, and with that also only one result which is very easy. Parallel है बस साइड प्रोपोर्शन में लिख ली. टू पेयर्स वर गिवन, दूसरी भी प्रोपोर्शन में लिख ली, एंड दोनों को एग्जामिन किया, दोनों से हमको क्या मिल गया, दैट they will also be equal to each other, and that only we have to prove. Clear? Easy है. So today first 4 questions of exercise 6.2 you will complete, and if there is any problem then you will ask me. Thank you.